What's up guys, today in the bay we've got a beautiful Tasman Blue Land Rover Defender 90. It's actually the first new 90 that we have at the shop. The car's here for a full paint decontamination, which we're going to do now. Afterwards we're going to assess it, do a paint correction, and after that we're going to apply full pre-cut PPF over the entire car and detail the inside as well.
Interior detail, engine bay detail, and we applied full PPF over the entire car. While applying the self-healing pre-cut PPF, we don't use any blades or remove any badges, and we give you a lifetime warranty. I think the car looks brilliant, super glossy, and is now ready for collection. Share this video to your friends and family, and if there's anything else you want to know, drop it in the comments below. Bye!